Hi friends, good morning. My name is Rajkumar and I am a HVAC faculty. Today we will discuss about the how to trace common running and the starter of compressor. Actually, compressor is the most important parts of HVAC. So many types of compressor like that: a reciprocating compressor, rotary compressor, a scroll compressor, a screw compressor, reciprocating compressor. So every compressor having a three electrical terminal. One is the running, one is the starter, and one is the common. So today our topic is the how to trace, how to identify a common running a starter of a compressor. If थोड़ा सा पीछे जाकर भी लेना. If we don't know about the, if we don't know about the exact point of common running a starter point of compressor, then we cannot make a electrical wiring. We cannot make a electrical wiring if we don't know about the exact point of common running a starter. Every compressor, I repeat again, three electrical terminal. One is the common, another is the running, and another is the starter. Okay, so today our topic is the how to trace, how to identify of a common running a starter of a compressor. So I'll make a simple diagram here. Okay, uh, we can easily understand by the help of diagram. ऊपर में मैंने लिख दिया है हाउ टू ट्रेस कॉमन रनिंग एंड स्टार्टर पॉइंट ऑफ ए compressor. This is a compressor which having a three electrical terminal, but we don't know which one is the common running and the starter. This is a compressor. Let's suppose that here three electrical terminal is A B C. We don't know about the common running and the starter. So we consider this is compressor which having a three electrical terminal A, B, C. So let's start to identify which should be here a common running and a starter. Okay, so firstly we have to take a digital clamp meter. This is the most important component of a HVAC industry. Digital clamp meter. By the help of digital clamp meter we can easily identify the common point, running point, and a starter point of a compressor. By the help of digital clamp meter we can easily identify, we can easily find out which one is the common, which one is the running, and which one is the starter. So first we have to take a digital clamp meter and make a continuity mode. Make a continuity mode in a digital clamp meter, and digital clamp meter having a two electrical wire. One is the red and another is the black. This is the black terminal and this is the red terminal of a digital clamp meter. Okay, so make a continuity mode and take a black terminal and red terminal and touch every two electrical terminal of a compressor together with. Okay, so for यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा भी है, firstly we have to take a digital clamp meter and make a continuity mode. Take a red and black terminal of a digital clamp meter and touch every two electrical terminal of a compressor together with. बारी बारी से हम लोग दो जो कंप्रेसर का इलेक्ट्रिकल टर्मिनल है उसके बीच के रेजिस्टेंस को हम लोग रीड करेंगे, बीच के रीडिंग को हम लोग रीड करेंगे. So step 1, take a digital clamp meter which having a two electrical wire. One is the black terminal and another is the red terminal. Okay, and take a first reading between A and B. Between A and B we get a 30 ohm. The resistance value of a 30 ohm between A and B. Okay, this is the step first, right? A step first, this is 30 ohm by the help of digital clamp meter. Next process will be same definitely. A step 2, take a digital clamp meter, take a black terminal and a red terminal, black wire and a red wire, and touch to two electrical terminal of a compressor. Between B and C we get a 40 ohm. The resistance value between B and C we get a 40 ohm by the help of digital clamp meter. Okay. Step 3. Next step will be same. Take a digital clamp meter which having the two electrical wire. One is the red wire, another is the black wire. Same digital clamp meter. The mode of digital clamp meter will be same in a continuity mode. There's no any changes in a digital clamp meter. And in a step 3, rest two electrical terminal of a compressor to take a reading. Between A and C we get a 17 ohm. 17 ohm, this is the resistance value between A and C. We get a 17 ohm. Okay. So we can see that here in a 3 step how to take a reading between every two electrical terminal of a compressor. In a step 1, I repeat again, in a step 1, this is digital clamp meter. ये digital clamp meter है. Take a reading between A and B by the help of digital clamp meter wire. One is the black and another is the red. We get a 30 ohm. Okay. In the next step, the compressor, this is a compressor ABC, and take a digital clamp meter and make a continuity mode. There's no change. Black wire and red wire, we get a reading between B and C. We get a reading between B and C 40 ohm. That is the 40 ohm resistance value between B and C. In the last step, step 3, the digital clamp meter will be same. The continuity mode, there's no any changes in a digital clamp meter, and this is a compressor which having a 3 electrical terminal A, B, C, and between A and C we get a 17 ohm. This is a resistance value between A and C. Okay. So in a 3 step we get a 3 different resistance value between two electrical terminal. In a step 1 between A and B 30 ohm, in a step 2 between B and C 40 ohm, and in a step 3 between A and C 17 ohm. We get a 3 different value of every between two electrical terminal of a compressor. Okay. So मैंने यहाँ लिख भी दिया है. Finally we get a picture like this. ये जो आपका ये जो compressor है, compressor which having a 3 electrical terminal A, B, C, the picture will be like this. This is a finally picture. This is a final picture. This is a compressor A, B, C. So between A and B we get a 30 ohm, that is resistance value. Between B and C we get 40 ohm, that is resistance value, and between A and C we get a 17 ohm, that is resistance value. 3 different value between every two electrical terminal of a compressor. Okay. Finally we get a picture like this. According to the HVAC SRAE standard, HVAC का जो स्टैंडर्ड है SRAE, अकॉर्डिंग टू द SRAE स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ HVAC, ठीक है, यहाँ पर रीडिंग इंडिकेट SRAE स्टैंडर्ड हाईएस्ट रीडिंग इंडिकेटिंग रनिंग एंड स्टार्टर. जिन 2 पॉइंट, these 2 point which having the highest reading point compared to the A, B and AC, because between A to B the reading is 30, between A and C the reading is 70, but between A, B and C the reading is 40. Okay. Between B and C the reading is 40, A and B is a 30, is 30 is the less than 40. Between A and C 17, it is also less than 40. That's why we get a highest reading value between B and C. So definitely So definitely, according to the SRAE standard of HVAC, highest reading indicating running and starter, those two terminal which having highest reading value, it will be definitely indicating running and a starter. So rest of one electrical terminal will be definitely common. Understand? Here is A, B, C, between A and B 30, between A and C 17, and between B and C 40. So definitely B and C will be common, running and a starter. If we get about B and C, it will be definitely running and a starter. So what about A? A should be definitely common. A should be definitely common. So we get a 1 point that will be common. A should be definitely common. Okay. In the next step, but we still now we are unable to understand between point B and C which one is the running and which one is the starter. Here मैंने लिखा है, but still now we are unable to understand between point B and C which one is the running and which one is the starter. Here in this picture we get a point A. About a point A, it will be definitely common, and between B and C, running and the starter. But we don't know exact B will be running or C will be running. B will be a starter or C will be a starter. We don't know. So in a last step, we have to take a one step more. यहाँ मैंने लिखा भी है, but still now we are unable to understand between point B and C which one is running and which one is a starter. So we have to take a one more step and now again take a digital clamp meter. हम लोग एक बार फिर से digital clamp meter लेंगे, because यहाँ पर हम लोग ये आइडेंटिफाई कर लिए कि जो पॉइंट ए है, पॉइंट ए विल बी डेफिनेटली कॉमन. पॉइंट ए जो है वो सी पॉइंट होगा, कॉमन पॉइंट होगा. ओके, तो डिजिटल क्लैंप मीटर, टेक अ डिजिटल क्लैंप मीटर अगेन एंड टेक अ रीडिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए, with respect to A, about B and about C. We can see here, this is a digital clamp meter. Picture will be same, A, B, C, A, B, C. We can see that the between A and B, the reading value is 30. Okay, and take a digital clamp meter. The digital clamp meter having a two electrical wire, one is a red wire and another is a black wire, and this is the picture of a compressor which having a three electrical terminal A, B, C. Okay, and we can see that the between A and C, the resistance value of is 70. Again repeat, between A and B resistance value is a 30, and between A and C the resistance value is a 70. So here we get a two different value in this picture, 30 and 70. Okay, so we can see here between A and B, with the about a point B with respect to A is a 30, and about the point C with respect to A is the resistance value of a 70. Which one is the more, 17 or 30? 30 is the definitely more than 70. So we can say that the point B is definitely a starter. Point B is definitely a starter point, and point C will be definitely running point. We can see here, this is the concept of SRAE standard of HVAC by the help of digital clamp meter. In a last step, if I know this point will be definitely common, point A, but we don't know, we are unable to understand between B and C which one is the running and the starter. We have to take one more step, take a digital clamp meter and take a reading about these 2 points B and C with respect to A, So finally we get like this. Between A and B the reading value is the 30 ohm, and between A and C the reading value is the 17 ohm. 17 ohm between A and C resistance value, 30 ohm between A and B resistance value. So 30 is the more than 17. So B point should be a starter and C point should be running. Before running and a starter we get a common point, C point, that is A. A is the common, B should be a starter, because if I compare to these two value, okay, these two value, here we can see that 30 ohm and here we can see that 17 ohm. So point B with respect to A, 30 is the more than 17 about point C with respect to A. So point B will be a starter and point C will be running, and A is the common. So finally calculation, the picture will be like this, and go to the first picture which I draw like this. This is a compressor which having a 3 electrical terminal A, B, C. We don't know about the which one is common, which one is running, which one is a starter. Finally, according to this process, we get a picture like this. This is point A. It is similar to the common point. This is point B. It is similar to the starter point, and this is the point C. It is similar to the running point. The picture like this. By the help of this process, we can easily get any one compressor in a HVAC industry, reciprocating, a scroll, rotary, whatever compressor, which having every compressor having a 3 electrical terminal running, a starter and a common. By the help of this process, by the help of digital clamp meter continuity mode, and make every 2 electrical terminal between electrical terminal resistance value reading, we can justify which one is exact common point, which one is exact running point, and which one is exact starter point. So we can see that here, friends. A is the common, B is the starter, and C is the running. कितना मिनट